I'm Rachel McPherson, and today I'm going to show you how to log your reading and listening hours for the Adult Summer Reading Club this summer at Longview Public Library. So first you'll go to our website, LongviewTexas.gov/library, and from there you'll hover your mouse over the Services tab and click on the Adult Summer Reading Club link on the left side of the screen. This will bring you to our Adult Summer Reading Club page with all of the information you're going to need on how to participate this summer. It's all online and virtual, so you can just read all of the instructions. We have a tutorial up that shows you how to register for the Summer Reading Club, and underneath that is where you can read all of the information on how to log your reading for the weekly raffle drawings, as well as log your completed challenges. We have 2 challenges, the Fantastical Journeys Challenge. If you come to at least 4 different online or virtual events this summer, you can fill out a log for the Fantastical Journeys Challenge. And if you watch at least 20 movies or TV shows based on a book, you can fill out a log for the Mythological Movie Feats Challenge. For the weekly raffle drawing, you'll want to enter your log by every Sunday because we have our raffle drawing on Monday morning. Every 100 pages you read will equal 1 raffle ticket, and every 2 hours worth of audiobooks will equal 1 raffle ticket. So when you're ready to log, you'll hit Submit Your Weekly Reading Logs and Movie Challenge/Event Participation. And that brings you to this raffle ticket submission page where you'll fill out your information. And then right here under type of raffle ticket entry, you can choose the raffle ticket you want. If you read 300 pages, you can choose 3 raffle tickets. Let's say I've only read 200 pages this week, so I'll click 2 raffle tickets and then click Next. And that's it. You'll hit Submit, and that will submit your raffle ticket form. And then for the end of the summer, when you're ready to fill out a raffle ticket form for your movie and event challenge, you'll choose that, click Next, and then it goes through all of the rules for the challenges again. And if you are submitting something for the Mythological Movie Feats Challenge, this is where you will put in your submissions. And if you're submitting for the Fantastical Journeys Challenge, you click there and you fill out the events you attended, and then click Submit, and you're done. Remember to submit a raffle ticket submission. You will have to be registered for the Adult Summer Reading Club, so make sure you do that. And happy reading!